One area that I did benefit from is that I am a client of the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, which is a government owned entity. We lease a warehouse space from them, which is next door to our main facility. And they had come out with, I don't know if it was an offer, but some type of an email survey, just for us to kind of share whatever hardship that we were experiencing. So I jumped on that right away, and I explained to them that business was down, and my priority is really staff and farmer support right now. I think paying rent to a government facility wasn't as high on my list. Unfortunately, they agreed to a moratorium, so they're taking it on a month by month. So I did get a moratorium for April, and they, I guess, will assess May further down in the month.